Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can find all the permissions granted to an app on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on apps. In apps, go down and select an app that you want to view the permission granted to the app. So let's say if I want to check out the call recorder app, then you tap on permissions, and in here in the allow section you can see the app has permission to use contacts, phone and storage. It also has permission to use the microphone. So if you do not want to allow the app to say have permission to contacts, you can tap on that and then tap on denied, and then tap on phone, and then tap on denied, and then storage. Now you can see here at the bottom, if you are concerned with media permission to your media, you can also tap on CO apps with this permission, and it basically lists all the apps that actually trying to use your media storage. So in here say factory camera or Galaxy Store, it has permission to manage files on your device. If you do not like that to happen, you can tap on the deny button. Okay, now let's go back to this call recorder app and say it has access to my media. I'm going to choose denied, and that's it. So now it only has access to microphone, and in microphone it will need to ask every time it's trying to access the microphone feature, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.